Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the computer science class. Today we are going to learn about an interesting topic, conditional formatting. What do you mean by conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is a powerful tool in MS Excel. It allows us to format a cell or specific cells based on the value or formula in those cells. We need to create rules or conditions. If those rules are met, the formatting is applied to the cells. It also based on certain criteria and used as color-based formatting to highlight, emphasize or differentiate among data and information stored in a spreadsheet. Let us understand conditional formatting with the help of an example. We have a worksheet containing data of some students' details. In this example, we are going to set a conditional formatting. The first one below 35. We are going to change the color red. Next, between 35 to 79, we are going to highlight the color in yellow. Next, third condition is above 79, we are going to highlight the color in green. These are the conditions based on the criteria. According to the data, we are going to create a condition. Look at this mark sheet. We have the variety of marks. Below 35, above 50, above 40, 60, above 79, etc. So first what you must do, you select the data, then click on the conditional formatting. In the home tab, you must choose the conditional formatting. Select the data, then click on the conditional formatting. There you can choose the highlight cell rules. Highlight cells rules. If you click on this, you will get the drop down list. There you choose the less than. When you select the less than, you will get the dialog box. In the dialog box, according to our first condition, less than 35, type 35. Then you must change the color into red. Then select the color red. Then click on OK. Then automatically the color changes into red. You can choose any one of the color, but as per our condition, we have to select the colors. Then second condition is the last one I am choosing greater than. Then greater than 79, we must type, then choose the green color. Automatically the data above 79 are changed into green color. Then third condition, in between, you select in between, then you will get the dialog box. In the first column 35, in the second box you must type 79. Choose the color yellow. Okay, automatically the color changes into different colors. One is red below 35. The second one is 35 to 79 yellow color. Above 79 green color. In the same way, we can also create some other colors, but according to our criteria, we have selected these colors red, yellow and green. We can apply the conditional formatting not only in numbers, but also we can apply it in the text. Okay. Pass or fail. Then after selecting, we can select the conditional formatting. Just to choose text that contains. Okay. If we click on this, you will get the dialog box. In the dialog box, you must type pass. You just type pass and select the color, green color. You can choose any one of the color. I am going to select green color. Then automatically the pass will be changed into green color. In the same way, click on the conditional formatting and text that contains, just click on that, type fail. Then change the color red. Then click on OK. Automatically the fail will be changed into red color. Look at the next column, rank. Now if you want to change the rank 1, 2, 3 in same color, that also you can apply. Otherwise no rank also we can give it into another color. Select the column and conditional formatting, highlight cells rules and select the between option. You will get a dialog box. In the first box type 1, second box 3. Then change the color green. Automatically the color changes it into green. Then fourth rank also you can give another color, yellow color I applied. Next to no rank, then click on the conditional formatting. Text that contains, you can select no rank, then select the color. Okay. In the same way, we can apply the color for the grade. A, B, C or A plus no grade. For this, what are the colors you like to apply? That also we can apply. You can change the color for the A grade and A plus grade and C or no grade. That also we can apply the colors. Next, let us move on to the topic conditional formatting presets. Excel has various predefined styles or presets we can use to quickly apply the conditional formatting to our data. They are grouped into 3 categories. One is data bars, color scale, icon sets. Let us see about color scale. This option changes the color of the each cell according to its value. Each color scale uses a 2 or 3 color gradient. For example, if you want to apply the color for the total, you can use this. Just click on the color scale. Automatically the color changes it into green, yellow, red or red, yellow, green. These 3 colors only will be changed. Now look here. Above 400 the color changed into green. Above 300 yellow color. Above 150 the color is changed into red. Can you notice? Yes. In the same way we can also create for average. In the average we are going to select the data bars. In the same way, conditional formatting, click on the data bar. There you can choose the data bar. Automatically it creates data bar. These are used to add horizontal bars to cells. It is a great way to show a relative magnitude, the values in the set of data. Next, we can also create icon. Icon sets adds the specific icon to each cell based on the value of that cell. How will you create the icon sets? Click on the conditional formatting, highlight cells rule, then click on the icons. Okay, then automatically you will get the icon sets according to the data. You have many options are available, many icons are available. You can choose any one of the icons. If you want to remove the icons, you can remove the icons, as well as if you want to remove the conditional formatting also we can remove. Click on the home tab, conditional formatting in the styles group. There you choose the clear rules from. Select the entire sheet. If you click on entire sheet, automatically all the conditional formatting will be changed into normal data. Or the particular row or column you want to change means you can change it. If you want to remove the icons, just click on the conditional formatting, select the manage rules. In the manage rules, remove icons. You can select, then click on OK. Automatically the icons removed from the data. Or if you want to remove the conditional formatting, you must click on the clear rules. Okay. If you click, automatically it removes that. I hope you have understood these topics clearly. What are the topics we have studied in today's class? Conditional formatting, changing the color, conditional formatting presets, data bars, color scale and icon sets. If you have system at home, please try it. Next class we can learn autofill format. Okay, thank you students.